Alright, today we're finally going to make some progress on this hole in the floor in the basement. But first, we're going to have to go on a scavenger hunt to find the digging bar, which is somewhere in the backyard. See, we planted this earlier this year, so maybe it's over here. No such luck. Goats. Let's try by the wood pile. Tempted to use this. Just a old fence post from when there used to be a corral back here. Hey, I think I found it. Man, middle of nowhere too. I was expecting it to be next to something. Well, time to get started. Earplugs. I need earplugs. Alright, my phone ran out of video, so I borrowed the wife's phone. We'll see how this works. Hopefully the video quality didn't change too much. I filmed an intro, but I think it got cut off with my camera running out of space. But this is the biggest hammer I have, so I decided to see if using it could possibly be better than using the digger bar. So far, I think the results are good. It takes a lot of energy, but let me show you how well it's cracking up. Might be hard to see on camera. You can see there, I think, that it's cracked up pretty good. And I was banging and hacking at it with that digging bar, and I felt like I wasn't making any progress whatsoever. So I think that's a win for tonight. I guess we'll get some shots of me flailing away and then clean this up, and then I think we'll be done for day one of in several months. Alright, I think my safety equipment is incomplete. Next time, safety glasses. Definitely safety glasses. Digging bar is definitely still useful though. Probably can't see this, but this is coming out way better. Bucket time. Alright, final trip for the night. Take and dump the wheelbarrow as well.